Payconiq is a payment processor and a payment provider in the region of the Netherlands, Belgium and Luxembourg. The biggest business challenges that we faced before Elastic, we had a monitoring tool, which was a SaaS provider, and we had our APM data over there. For the logs, we had another provider, and we couldn't do correlation. So we didn't have actually the good insight on our payment platform, and we needed to centralize everything in one single pane of glass to answer the questions that were very pertaining to our businesses. The biggest choice behind Elastic is that compared to other monitoring tools that we had and the way we set it up, they were mostly based towards monitoring for monitoring, where we wanted to capture the data, whereas with Elastic, we do much more. Before Elastic, we had too many different data points and they were not correlated. And because we missed that correlation, it really had a big impact on how we used to think about data, our own business. Another item that we build with Elastic is the real-time user monitoring, which is extremely important for us because we can understand the behavioral patterns of our consumers. So this has very, very big consequences, positive consequences on our cost management. One key element or one key features that Elastic has released is the out-of-the-box model that you can use within Elastic AI in order to track anomaly detection within your APM. So you do not need to do any effort, you do not need to download anything. It is right out of the box in Elastic. You just need to press a button and you can have anomaly detection for your APM. And it's a beautiful piece of technology. We use GenAI in our Elastic stack as well in order to improve our root cause analysis. With the help of the AI assistant, we are able to determine the root cause analysis of a lot of issues and incidents that we face. You can ask the assistant to create queries for you. Just copy the query, paste it, and it creates a beautiful dashboard for you. So which means that I do not need to be highly technical. I have noticed that productivity and the ease of integration and familiarity with the product was higher when we had the Elastic Stack compared to other tools, because everybody within the company can start using Elastic right away. If I didn't have Elastic, I will be flying blind. That means at any time, it's just a matter of time, I will crash. And the reason why is that I would not have access to invaluable information that is the lifeblood of my business. I would definitely recommend Elastic as a tool to use.